Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on your profile picture in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right. From here, you need to click on settings and privacy and click on account center. So once you are here, you simply need to click on personal details, and in the bottom you can see account ownership and control. Click on deactivate or deletion, and here you need to select your Instagram account and click on delete account. Click on continue. So you can select any reason. Click on continue. Click on continue again, and here you need to enter your password. So once you enter your password, click on continue. So once you click on continue, your Instagram account will be deleted. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.